What's going on, y'all? Locals everywhere here.
Offering inspiration and information to inspire transformation in others.
Thank you so much for the folks who just recently subscribed to our channel.
If you haven't subscribed already, now would be an awesome time to do so.
Anyhow, thanks for watching.
Let's get right into it.
Sometimes the best way to create your meals is to first get inspired.
So we gathered up what we had lying around in our fridge and pantry and came up with 3 easy and simple recipes that you can try at home. One tip that we'd love to share is use whole, real, and local ingredients. Meatloaf, one of our favorites. First, start by chopping some celery stalks. Next, add your garlic. Use a mortar and pestle to mash the garlic until it becomes a smooth paste. Then dice the onion. We normally choose white or yellow, finely chopped. Heat your cast iron pan and add in your garlic, onion, and celery until they are nice and brown color. Toss in your seasonings. Next, remove your mixture and set it aside to let it cool. Add the mixture to 1 pound of ground beef along with everything else that's going to bring this meatloaf together. A little bit of cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, and almond flour, which is what will help bind the meatloaf. 2 eggs, and then you can get mixing. This will get a little bit messy. Add the meatloaf to a baking pan and place it in your oven at 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes or until your beef is all the way cooked. After removing your meatloaf, top it with some delicious red sauce. We use Rao's marinara because it's all natural, low in sugar, and much healthier than ketchup. Add some extra Parmesan, and voila, this is one tasty and easy dish that we think you'll love. Next, we have our protein quiche. Crack 8 eggs in a bowl for whisking. In a cast iron pan, add some minced garlic and bell peppers. This will be the base of our flavor for the quiche. Next, add in shaved Brussels sprouts and let everything brown and set it aside to let it cool. Then, brown your turkey meat. Add a little bit of sea salt to give it some flavor. Once that's browned, it'll form the base for your quiche. We'll then layer the sliced cheese on top. Today I'm using Havarti cheese. Once that's covered, we'll add in our mixture of the onion, peppers, and Brussels sprouts. This is where the second layer of our cheese will go. Incorporate those eggs that we whisked earlier and try to pour as evenly as possible. This will go in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes or until the egg is cooked all the way through. Slice it and serve. Last is our banana bread muffins. Seeing as it's called banana bread, let's start off with 2 large bananas. We'll peel them and smash them until no lumps are left over. Once your mixture is smooth, then you can add your almond flour and your baking powder and baking soda. We'll also add some chopped walnuts for a little bit of a crunch. Almond extract and vanilla extract will also be used as the base of our flavor because we won't be adding extra sugar. Next is coconut oil, which also gives us sweetness. Add your 2 eggs and get stirring. Place your mixture into a loaf pan or into muffin tins. Once everything's level and all set, put them in the oven at 375 degrees for about 15 or 20 minutes or until they're a nice golden brown color and cooked all the way through. Let them cool once you take them out and try not to eat the whole pan. Again, we just wanted to show how simple and easy these recipes can be. They're good for you and they taste amazing.
So we hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it for you.
We hope that you'll try one of these recipes at home and leave us a comment. Let us know which one was your favorite.
Until next time, see you later.
Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much again for watching. Bye.